In today's fast-paced world, investing in stocks can seem daunting, especially for beginners. Many people hesitate because they are unsure where to start or fear the complexities involved. However, Cash App Investing offers a simple and affordable way to begin your investment journey. In this review, we'll explore the features, fees, and overall usability of Cash App Investing to help you decide if it's the right platform for you. Cash App Investing is designed to make stock trading accessible to everyone. The setup process is quick and straightforward. You can open an account without any initial deposit, and there are no fees to buy or sell stocks. This ease of use makes Cash App Investing particularly appealing to those who are new to the stock market. The app's interface is user-friendly, allowing even the most inexperienced investors to navigate through the investment process with ease. Cash App Investing offers a limited selection of investment types. You can invest in stocks, exchange-traded funds, and Bitcoin. For those who are cautious about investing large sums of money, the app allows you to purchase fractional shares for as little as $1. This means you can own a portion of expensive stocks without having to buy a full share. While the investment options are not as extensive as some other platforms, they are sufficient for beginners who want to start with basic stock and Bitcoin investments. One of the standout features of Cash App Investing is that it does not charge any trading fees for stocks. This is a significant advantage for beginners who want to avoid the cost of commissions eating into their profits. However, fees for Bitcoin transactions do vary. The absence of fees for stock trading sets Cash App Investing apart from many other brokerages that charge per trade, making it a cost-effective option for new investors. The Cash App is primarily a mobile app, and there is no desktop platform available. This focus on mobile usability means that the app is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate. Users can quickly open the app, decide how much they want to invest, and make a purchase with just a few taps. The app collects necessary information, such as your social security number, but the process is quick and hassle-free. Additionally, Cash App Investing integrates seamlessly with the broader Cash App ecosystem, allowing you to manage your banking, payments, and investments all in one place. While Cash App Investing excels in ease of use, it falls short in offering comprehensive research and educational tools. The app provides a basic tutorial called My First Stock to help new investors get started, but it lacks in-depth research resources. If you are looking for detailed stock analysis and educational materials to inform your investment decisions, you might need to supplement Cash App Investing with additional research from other sources. Customer service for Cash App Investing is available through multiple channels, including phone support, social media, and a 24/7 online chat feature. While the app has high ratings in the iOS App Store and Google Play Store, it has received lower ratings from the Better Business Bureau due to communication issues. As an online-only platform, Cash App Investing does not offer in-person support, which might be a drawback for some users who prefer face-to-face interactions. Security is a crucial aspect of any investment platform, and Cash App Investing takes it seriously. The app is registered with the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, which means your investments are protected up to $500,000 in the event of brokerage firm failure. Additionally, Cash App Investing uses encryption to protect your data and offers two-factor authentication for added security. Cash App, developed by Block Inc., formerly known as Square Inc., introduced stock trading capabilities in 2020. Before this, the app was primarily known for its banking and mobile payment features. Today, Cash App is one of the top 2 payment apps in the United States, competing closely with Venmo. If you are already a Cash App user, adding Cash App Investing to your financial toolkit can provide a convenient, all-in-one solution for managing your money. Cash App Investing is an excellent choice for beginners looking for an easy and affordable way to start investing in stocks. Its user-friendly interface, zero trading fees for stocks, and integration with the Cash App ecosystem make it a convenient option for those new to the investment world. However, the app's limited research and educational tools may require users to seek additional resources to make informed investment decisions. Overall, Cash App Investing provides a straightforward and cost-effective entry point into the stock market. Alright, so I believe that's pretty much it for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.